Forget swimsuit season, it's pasta season. I'm so used to seeing a Mediterranean pasta salad everywhere that I wanted to do something a little bit different. Today, I'm going from Greece to the Southwest with an avocado spin on pasta salad. So we're gonna start things out with avocado. I have 3 whole avocados here that I'm gonna put in the blender. I love making dressing in the blender. It makes it so simple. You don't have to stir anything. You can just pour everything in the blender, get it nice and smooth and creamy, and you are ready to go. To that, I'm gonna add some jalapenos. This is 1 whole jalapeno that we have diced. We took the seeds out of this, but if you want it a little spicier, you can leave the seeds in. To that, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of buttermilk. This is gonna keep our dressing nice and creamy. 2 tablespoons of sour cream, fresh lime juice, about 1/2 cup of cilantro leaves. And then finally, we have some cumin and then a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Now it's time to blend. We're gonna start it off low to get all the ingredients nice and combined, and then we're gonna turn up the volume. All right, so we have our dressing all ready to go. It looks thick and beautiful. And now we're gonna add our toppings. So I'm gonna bring this big bowl of rotini pasta. I went ahead and boiled this pasta and drained it, let it cool. The reason why I love rotini pasta for pasta salad is you see all these little crevices in these little noodles. They suck up all the dressing. It just lays really well in there. That way, when you get a bite of the pasta salad, you get the flavor of the dressing. And then to add to our Southwestern flavors, I have some black beans, corn, some halved cherry tomatoes, red onion, and some black olives. So what I'm gonna do is start out with our dressing. We're gonna toss this with our pasta. So what I like to do with dressing is toss it with about half, kind of add it in stages to make sure it gets all evenly combined. And then I'm gonna add the rest of our dressing. And I love the punchy green color of this. It's a nice complement to the noodles. Y'all know me, I love presentation of food. I love making it look great. And all these colors are gonna be really pretty, like all in the bowl. Now it's time to add in the fun add-ins. We have some chopped red onion. I love that purple color in our pasta salad. And this is gonna taste even better after it's refrigerated. That's gonna give the red onion a chance to kind of lose some of its bitterness in the fridge. It's gonna bring all the flavors together. It's gonna be nice and crisp, which is gonna be delicious. All right, we're gonna add in our black olives. So I have a whole can of drained black olives here, but you can just add however many you like. And then we have a can of drained corn. You could even grill your corn if you want, which would be delicious. Some black beans, cooked and drained, and then this beautiful cherry tomato that we've sliced in half. And we're just gonna stir all this together. So make sure you got a ginormous bowl because there is a lot of fun stuff in this pasta salad. And then we're gonna just store it in the fridge for about an hour to let all the flavors meld together and serve it up. All right, y'all, so I'm sitting here with my beautiful bowl of avocado pasta salad. There's a couple things I wanna add on top just to give it a little extra sparkle. I'm gonna start off with some diced avocado. The avocado obviously is in the dressing, but I love adding little flavor cubes on top of the dishes. And if you want to, when you're serving this, you can go ahead and mix it into the avocado pasta salad, but I like letting people add it on top. It's kind of a fun little serving element. I'm also gonna add some fresh cilantro. You know, have cilantro in the dressing. I love fresh cilantro, and a little flaky salt for some texture, a little fresh ground pepper. It smells like lime and avocado. I cannot wait to dig into it. But I love this pasta salad because you can bring it to a barbecue, you can bring it to a party, and it's so different from your traditional pasta salad. You are gonna be the hit of the cookout. That pasta salad is so flipping good. But you know what? I wanna see how you style your avocado pasta salad. Take a picture, tag it on Instagram @PopKitchen, and comment below. I wanna know what you wanna see me make next.